Hey, have you been overspending with your service? You really need to take a look at this video to show you how to save big time.
Hello guys. Today I am first going to catch up on a very good release from yesterday by Dan Green called WP Easy Ranker. This is a great WordPress plugin that instantly creates a site for you in one of 8 predetermined niches. In addition to this, here is also a custom option if you are a bit more of a techie and can do some additional steps by yourself. All you do is install the plugin and then select your niche and add your Clickbank ID. The site will then update itself every day with unique content related to your chosen niche. Then, you will have to add Clickbank products with full reviews that are hard-coded with your link. The fact that the content is spun means every article will be slightly different to other people's, so you will be able to easily rank on Google. I have again put together a giant package of 50 bonuses to go with this. Check the link under this video for more information. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe to our channel. We regularly upload great content.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.